Alright, this is a this is a video on static routing. So the purpose of this video is to show how to manually input the routes on a router. So we will demonstrate us inputting the routes for router 1 and router 0, and also we will input the IP addresses for both PCs. I believe router 1 IPs are configured for both interfaces. Yep, this one is, that one is, and router 1 doesn't look like it. Let's see, configure. Yeah, I had that IP. 01 doesn't have its interface. We'll do that real quick. 10.10.10.2. That's just a quick way to do it. You can do it also through the CLI. So I already labeled all the devices with their IP addresses. So that's PC0, it's PC1, interface for router 1, the other interface for router 1 as well, and both these two interfaces. These are the network IP addresses for this network. This is the network between these two routers, and this is the other network for this router and this PC. So let's start with PC 0, and let's configure the IP address, which is going to be 192.168.0.2, and then we're going to enter the default gateway, which is going to be 10.10.10.1, and the default gateway is just so this PC can know where to send its information outside of its network. So that's installed in that one. So we're going to also do that for PC1. It's going to be 192.168.100.2. Subnet mask. The default gateway is going to be 10.10.10.2. And I believe this one's all set. And while we're here, we're gonna set the route for it. So we're gonna config IP route, and for this router connect, we have to put the network we're going to, which is going to be this network right here, which is going to be 192.168.100.0, and the subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0, and then the next hop. So we're telling it to go to this network, this submask, and the next hop will be 10.10.10.2. So we're going to enter that in, 10.10.10.2, and that's configured. We can even show the route, so we'll just exit this one. We're going to show the routing table. IP. So the static route is going to be 192.168.100 via this next hop. So router 0 set, and then for this one, like I said, that's set, that's set. And then, so we're gonna do IP route, and the network going to is going to be 192.168.0.0. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and then the next hop, which is going to be 10.10.10.10.1. 10.10 again, we're going to show the IP route. Shows it still a static route as we're going to go to that network 192.168.0.0 via 10.10.10.1. And let's test it by entering, let's ping from PC0 to PC1. So we'll do a test ping, I'm sorry. 192.168.100.2. So we'll see what happens. The first one should always fail. Actually, the first two fail. And there we have a reply. So let's just run it again, and none of them should fail. Yep, and there we go. So that's basically it for this week 4 project. So we just demonstrated that PC0 can ping to PC1 outside of its own network with static routing. Thank you, and that's all.